the classification talk.
Yeah, thanks, Amir. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. I'm here and happy to share a brief on my classification tonight. So that's technical communication. Now, in the pre-IT era, technical communication was not a very well-defined profession. But in the 90s, with the boom in infotech companies, technical communication as a profession became a necessity. And as an engineer who liked writing, this seemed an interesting profession. As it was in the mid 90s that I joined this profession, I have, in a way, witnessed the genesis and the evolution of technical communication in India. And I'll brief you about it in the context of the software industry. So what does a technical communicator do? Well, there's technical writing, of course. To make it simple, this involves interacting with subject matter experts or SMEs on a software product or application and using the application to then write about it in an organized manner. Then there's editing and reviewing drafts written by SMEs, which is a very challenging task. Then there's the effort in creating assets such as content templates, guidelines, and checklist documents to ensure better input quality. In certain companies such as ours, technical communicators conduct training in various aspects of technical and business communication. For example, writing user documentation, status reports, business email, case studies, business proposals, and many more. So in a large organization, there is a need to spread enterprise-wide awareness about technical communication and its best practices, which is done through several means like blogs, communication bulletins, and other contests and events. Technical communicators are also involved in creating innovative products and tools that aid tech documentation, development, and quality control. And besides this, as the entire landscape of content and how it is served has changed so much over the decades, technical communicators are often consulted in creating artifacts like chatbot conversations, video scripts, and client presentations. Now, as far as what are the requirements to become a technical communicator? One is, of course, good communication skills, both written and verbal, and a knowledge of writing styles, writing manuals, and editing is very necessary. Then the ability to organize information in a logical, user-friendly manner and determine the design of information products. While you don't need to be an expert in technology, but an understanding and familiarity with terminology helps. Of course, there are various tools and resources that you can use to fortify your knowledge. And a course in technical writing also helps to understand the field, but most of it, of the learning is on the job. And about, technical communication and technical communicators, the role of technical communicators in industry and society. On the whole, communication has been at the core of any business venture. And without effective communication, any organization, whether profitable or non-profit, cannot function. Just as corporate and marketing communication provides brand value to an organization, technical communication also lends credibility to the brand. And the products and services of an enterprise need to be accompanied by documentation, web content, etc., that is clear, consistent, user-friendly. And technical communicators play a key role in this. They also help enhance the competency of the workforce and are one of the drivers of customer satisfaction in the enterprise. That's it from me for now. Thank you so much for listening. Back to you, Sameer.
Thanks, Madhu. I just have this one. You use the word abbreviation SME. As an entrepreneur, SME means small medium enterprise. Is that
Yes.
what you were? That is what you were mentioning at that point.
Yeah.
Okay.